It has happened. John Riccitiello, the CEO of Unity, got fired from the company, stepping down from his role as president, CEO, and even as a board member. There were a lot of calls from the community for him to be fired, and Unity finally kicked him out. But let's backtrack to where the thunderstorm began, with perhaps the most divisive pricing change in Unity's history. In September, Unity declared a new 20-cent fee per install to every game utilizing the Unity runtime. A move that sent shockwaves through the indie and professional development communities, prompting significant backlash and causing developers to even shut off their ad systems in protest. 10 days after this announcement, Unity partially walked back on its pricing, introducing certain thresholds and exemptions, but their reputation and developers' trust were already significantly damaged. The community wanted to see CEO John Riccitiello get fired for this drama, and they were finally heard. Yesterday, October 9, and almost a month after the dramatic announcement, Unity kicked out its CEO John Riccitiello. Unity tries to regain the lost trust of the community by this drastic action. The aftermath of the latest events has left Unity stuck, stumbling, and the future unclear. One thing is certain, Unity is at a pivotal moment, and the decisions made now will chart the course of its future. Let's take a look at Unity's press release on Business Wire. Mr. Botha, lead independent director of the Unity board and appointed chairman, said, "Working with Unity under John's leadership has been one of the highlights of my career. John joined the Unity board in 2013 and stepped in to lead the company in 2014 at a time when we faced significant challenges. John has led Unity through incredible growth over the last nearly 10 years, helping us transition from a perpetual license to a subscription model, enabling developers to monetize, building other game services to serve our community, leading us through an IPO, and positioning us as a pioneer in the developer community. Unity would not be where it is today without the impact of his contributions. I remain excited for the future of Unity." John Riccitiello said, "It's been a privilege to lead Unity for nearly a decade and serve our employees, customers, developers, and partners, and all of whom have been instrumental to the company's growth. I look forward to supporting Unity through this transition and following the company's future success." Meanwhile, James Whitehurst said, "I am honored to join Unity as interim CEO and president at this important time in its evolution. With the company's experienced leadership and passionate employees, I'm confident that Unity is well positioned to continue enhancing its platform, strengthening its community of customers, developers, and partners, and focusing on its growth and profitability goals. I look forward to working closely with the board and our talented global team to execute on our strategy, and I anticipate a seamless transition." So this is James Whitehurst, the new interim CEO and president of Unity. James previously served as the president and senior advisor at IBM after his role as the CEO of Red Hat. Well, there you have it. A significant shift at Unity's executive level in a heavy time for the game developer community. John Riccitiello has stepped down, with James Whitehurst stepping into the interim CEO role. The recent events, including the controversial pricing change and the subsequent backlash from the community, have clearly played a pivotal role in these developments. While Unity aims to portray a stable and optimistic outlook with their new interim CEO, who brings a wealth of experience, it will be intriguing to see how the next chapters for the company unfold. Will Unity manage to smooth over the lost trust of the game dev community? And how will these leadership changes impact their policy and direction moving forward? Time will tell. I personally think that Unity will change their license fees from time to time, and the recent changes won't be the last. But now we know that the conditions for the current licenses are fixed and they can't be changed afterwards, like Unity tried in September.
Are you sure about that?
I believe Unity may be surpassed by an open source engine in the future. But for now, it is still a powerful tool and a good choice for developing games. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time.